Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you carrots and rice will make you look 20 years old younger than anyone, you guys, and it removes the wrinkles naturally and fine lines will disappear permanently. I hope the video, guys, will help you too. So the first thing we'll need is carrot juice, and grate the one carrot and strain it to get the carrot juice, guys, like so. And then we'll need to add on it rice flour, then we'll need to add baby oil, then add some rose water, then we'll need to add baking soda, guys. You'll find it double in size like so. Mix the ingredients well and apply it on your skin. Apply it on face, on hands, and on neck to remove wrinkles but fine lines and naturally get rid of all the unwanted fine lines, guys. Leave it until it dries out completely and then wash it with warm water to close the pores. And guys, it's very effective and will get you amazing results from first use, guys. Use it 3 times weekly to get rid of the fine lines and to look 20 years old, and will be like an amazing skin naturally, guys, without any side effects. It's super effective.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.